And here is today's watermelon, and we'll talk a little bit about numbers. This watermelon cost $1.99, so it's about the dollar for a serving. And this is, of course, a seedless watermelon, and they taste quite good. Hello. Hello. Hello, watermelon students. Talking about numbers, talk a little bit about YouTube. For those of you who are either planning on becoming partners or already in the partner mode at YouTube, what I think is a good rule of thumb, there's no actual number that covers every situation, but you should receive about $1 for every 1,000 views, give or take 50 cents. My most viewed video at this time is eating a watermelon with my clone. And it's nearing the 3 million view mark. 2,980 some thousand, I think, right now. And that's a lot of views. There are, of course, videos that have had many tens of millions of views. This is a good watermelon. The best way to increase views to your site to get more numbers, views and subscribers, I've been lucky having this happen to me. And the best way to get more views, more subscribers, is if someone who's a big time YouTube performer who might have 10 million subscribers, if they mention you, that will increase your views and subscriber numbers. The next best way to increase views and subscribers is to have very good tags, titles, and descriptions. And I recommend watching a lot of different videos that have information about good tags, good titles, good descriptions, and also good thumbnails. This is July 14th, I guess. Yeah, July 14th. And this is the best time of year to buy a watermelon. You get a lower price, and they taste really good. Paramount, I think, is one of the best tasting foods, just natural foods. It has a really good taste. Numbers are very important in show business. I first arrived in Hollywood in 1956, but I did not work in any movies until 1979, so it took me 23 years to get into movies. But I did, of course, in the meantime, get into radio and records and so on. I've been in more than 100 movies, mostly as an extra. I've been in more than 80 TV movies, usually as an extra. I've been in more than 145 different TV shows, episode type shows, episodic shows. My greatest success was the 4 seasons that I was on Dear John, Paramount on NBC. I was cast member of Dear John, 1988 to 1992. And I can tell you it's worth the wait, the AIT, waiting for success. It's worth it. Not only financially, you get lots and lots of money when you do finally strike it rich in TV or movies, but it's also a lot of fun, the ups and downs, going to bed at night, being unemployed, waking up in the morning, working on a show.